everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to create an app using AI. I will be using anything.com to help build the app and Google NotebookLM to help plan and understand it. I'll also show you a live demo, so let's get started. First up, we've got Google NotebookLM. Google NotebookLM is a Google AI-powered research assistant that helps you analyze documents. It's got all sorts of features. It's got audio overviews, video overviews, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, and all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you an example. I took The Adventure of Sherlock Holmes, for example, and it gave me all sorts of options, including a text that I can read, but it's also given visual options that I can look at and read, and that's really good. So I've already downloaded some of these, so we're going to go through them and see how good this app actually is. Okay, so it can tell you the key characters, methods and skills, notable cases, oh that's a lot, and common themes. So if you can see, this is obviously a lot. Oh, that's spring. There we go. So it's obviously a lot. So first of all, it starts in one paragraph. Then it doubles and doubles, and it's amazing. Okay, next up is Sherlock Holmes' method of deduction. This is like a poster, so it's also very creative. So if you can see, it's put some different key tips here, the golden rules of deduction. You see but you do not observe. It's got various lines that they use in the book. So that's also a very good feature of the Google NotebookLM. And it's also, for the Holmes fans, there's a quiz. So there's 12 questions, which is actually really good because there's usually only 5 because, you know. Okay, so in a scandal of Bohemia, how does Sherlock Holmes determine that the anonymous note was written on paper manufactured in Bohemia? I have no idea. I'm just going to put some random thing. Oh no, I thought it was right. But so you can see that it does not only tell you that it's incorrect, it tells you the correct answer and gives you an explanation, which is really good. Okay, next we've got a video, which it took a lot of time to prepare, so. Okay.
Alright, so let's dive right into one of the absolute classics, A Scandal in Bohemia. We're going to break this thing down to really get at what makes the world's most famous detective tick, and how he...
Okay, so if you can see, it's prepared it fully on. No, it's not a previous video. It's created it from scratch, and it's put in all sorts of editings and put a voice to it. So it's really good. Okay, we'll take that away. Okay, next you have flashcards. It has got 65 flashcards. So we're not going to go through all of them, or else we'll be stuck here forever. But I'm just going to go through some of them. Okay. Who is the only person Sherlock Holmes refers to as the woman? I know this one. It's Irene Adler. Ah, correct. Okay, so this is a bit like a quiz, because that's what flashcards do. But this time, it's more interactive and it's more creative, not like a boring quiz. Okay. Next, you have the science of deduction. Oh, it's a PowerPoint, I see. Okay, so it's created you a PowerPoint. You can go on various slides, and it gives you all sorts of deduction tips. And I believe there's also another PowerPoint. Ah, of course. So this PowerPoint gives you all the different cases of Sherlock Holmes. And there's this one's A Scandal in Bohemia. This one's the Red-Headed League, and loads more. Okay, so that's technically honestly all there is. And I think Google Notebook LM is really good. In the comments which book you use on Google Notebook LM and how you find it. Okay, so our second tool that we will be using today is anything.com. Anything.com helps you build apps from scratches just with a simple prompt. It can, so for example, I've created a Beyblade app here. For those of you who don't know what Beyblade is, a Beyblade is like a spinning top with extra features. Okay, so first I'll show you some examples so you can there's all sorts of rankings. I've ranked the Beyblades, the Beybladers. Now there are some errors in this, so if you're like a total Beyblade nerd, don't feel bad for me, because you only get a number of credits in this. So if you use all of them, then you can't use the app anymore. So there has to be some errors for me to use this, of course. Okay, it's also got a battle section where you can select Beybladers. For example, I'm just going to select Blaze Fujiwara, and the good thing is that they've also got images of the Beyblades, which is good. Select this guy, and so if I say start battle, the Beyblades will start spinning. If you can see, it's not that immersive because it doesn't know too much about Beyblade, so I wasn't expecting it to be that good, but it's still a really good job for anything.com. Another cool feature is if you can see, the app is created like a mobile. So if you scan the QR code on here, if you scan the QR code on here, then you will get the app on your phone, which is really cool because you can play it anywhere at any time. Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and its content. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!